इस बार आलिया ने तो पेप्स की डिमांड पर पहले केक कट कर लिया, यानी कि प्री बर्थडे केक कटिंग हो गई। सो हेलो गाइस, आई एम रुचिका और आप देख रहे हैं एंटरटेनिंग वर्ल्ड। भाई देखिए, अभी हाल ही में आलिया भट्ट का बर्थडे हुआ, जहाँ पे देखिए उन्होंने प्री बर्थडे केक कटिंग करी, जो कि पेप्स की डिमांड पे हुआ था। भाई देखिए, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल लग रही थी ये जोड़ी। भाई देखिए, इमोशनल स्पीच भी देते हुए नजर आए, वो भी आलिया के लिए रणबीर। आपको क्या कहना है इस पूरी वीडियो में, कॉमेंट में जरूर बताना।
Happy birthday! क्या बात है? Once more.
It's a daily work in progress. I mentioned this before. I mentioned it on the podcast as well that I once a week do also have therapy, talk therapy that really helps me just clear my mind. On a daily basis, because of what ADHD and anxiety as well, I find myself in various moments where my emotions are getting the better of me and they're kind of taking over perhaps the physical, the moment in that time. It's not like I'm somebody who's deep into meditation or I'm not being able to stick to any of those things. But sometimes just being aware of your own internal processes and your internal, I think, transitions, that these things might trigger you, this thing might make you feel a certain way. Just knowing that, acknowledging it to yourself, helps you get through a bad moment, or I wouldn't say a bad moment, a difficult moment, and of course support definitely helps, talking about it definitely helps.
I think Alia will get a more serious note, but I'm thinking, मैं moment में पला बड़ा हूँ, हम industry में बहुत बड़े हैं. All of you guys are family. ऐसा कुछ legal group हमको लेने की कोई novel नहीं है, जरूरत नहीं है. हम जब आप लोगों को बुलाते हैं और आपसे ड्यूटी करते हैं, आप लोग सुनते हो, जैसे आप लोग कुछ ड्यूटी हमसे हम देखते हैं. So it's not something, I think we all work together on give our work to each other. ऐसे नहीं कि इस पे हम केस कर देंगे, उस पे केस कर देंगे. अगर हमने आप सबको बुलाया, हमें विनती करेंगे यार, it might sound like a very privileged problem, I understand that, but we are trying as parents how much we can to protect our child. जितना कर सकते करेंगे. अब there are few, आज क्या, anybody with a camera phone can do anything and post it and it can spread like wildfire. तो वो हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं है. आप लोग हमारे फैमिली जैसे, तो आप हमारे कंट्रोल में, हम आपको बोल सकते हैं, विनती कर सकते हैं, you can help us achieve this. But I don't know if there is any other route that we are.
To answer your question, I think जो आपने कहा है correct response, and like Ranveer is saying, we don't want to push any sort of like action, but if somebody is basically not learning, we should let it go.
जैसे मुझे याद है कुछ महीने पहले हम ठीक है बेटा ओके हाँ जी क्या है सही मैंने गाइड किया बहुत अच्छा था और कैंपस में लीडर के साथ मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा मौका था. मुझे बहुत कैंपस में ऑनलाइन थोड़ा वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट एक्टर्स and to work with them और actively looking उस समय लगाया था, trying to be a part of the writing, to understand the tone of the act. तो बहुत मजा आया. I'm very happy that I could do that.
We all have been waiting for Brahmastra 2 as well. Like what's happening on that front?
However, is something which is, I think, every actor is to work with brilliant actors like Alia and Nikhil, and to be directed under a master Sanjila Bhansali. I worked with him 17 years ago in India. To work with him again, I can say this with so much of clarity that I haven't met a human being who works so hard, who understands characters, emotions, music, Indian culture, Indian value system as much as Sanjay Bhansali. Just to be on his set, it is tiring, it is long, the process can be a very daunting, but eventually as artists, it is so satisfying, because I think he really he really nurtures art, you know, and as actors, it's really been truly amazing so far. Brahmastra 2 is something that Ayan has been nurturing as a dream for a very long time. Brahmastra, the entire story of Brahmastra, as you guys know, he's currently working on War 2. And once the film releases, he's going to start the pre-production of Brahmastra 2. It's definitely happening. We haven't really announced much of it, but there will be some interesting announcements coming regarding Brahmastra 2.
विशाल थोड़ा पीछे ना विशाल
launching and
थोड़ा पीछे
almost the shoot was sold out and the brand, the response to the brand is so good and the stuff is so good.
You know, I actually compare it to actually making a movie. It's as hard as that. You have to be really authentic, you really have to be present, you have to give it your all. Because I think even to sell to consumers, you don't want to buy nonsense, you want to buy something authentic, you want to buy a true story. Sneakers is something that I have grown up with, something I truly love. And I really wanted, to make a good sneaker, a good brand, good clothes that our country will wear. I always used to wonder, हम यहाँ भी जाते हैं, there is a Zara, there is a Uniqlo, there is a H&M. We are such a large country, most of the fabrics come from India, most of the manufacturing is made in India. आपको we don't have a brand business. Of course, मैं बड़ी बात कर रहा हूँ, but the endeavor was that, the intention is that we are now going to go, we've taken something back, right back. This is a brand that I really want to give myself, surrender myself for a very long period in my life.
हजारों